4 years at MIT, MBA at Wharton, and still, I had no idea what was going on with my business. But now, we've got a hold on everything, thanks to Untitled Advanced Reporting. Untitled lets you cut through millions of data points in a couple clicks. View past and projected revenue with win rates and probabilities for any number of product or service lines. You can learn where the best leads are coming from and double down on what works. See how your best rep wins deals and enable everyone to sell like she does. Monitor quotas and team activity to find ways to get more productive. And track your whole post-sale process to make sure deadlines are met and your customers wind up happy. And not only that, Untitled can build beautiful charts and dashboards to share with the entire team. All with no MBA required.
Nailed it. Beautiful. Pass it back.